In today's video, we will talk about why GS is important for IES. Moreover, we will know that what are the important key topics that are needed to be covered while preparing for GS for IES. And then we will know that how we can prepare for GS using the lecture series provided by The Gate Hunt. So let's begin. Subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon to receive latest jobs notifications, GATE talks and video lectures on GATE and IES. So guys, the first question which we will try to answer here is why GS is important for cracking IES. So guys, as you all know that the IES exam comprises of three stages. Okay, so the first stage is the prelims stage, and the second stage is the mains stage, and the third stage is the interview stage. So the GS portion comes in the prelims stage. Okay, so the prelims stage consists of two papers, that is the paper 1 and paper 2. So the paper 1 is of 200 marks and it is of 2 hours duration. So in paper 1 GS portion comes, and in paper 2 the technical subject objective paper of the technical subject comes. So guys, for clearing the cutoff of the prelims exam, we need to score good in the first paper of prelims exam as well as in the second paper of prelims exam. So if you score around 220 or 240 marks in nearly all of the branches, then you get qualified in the prelims exam of IES. But the thing is that unlike IAS, in IES exam, the marks, the final merit list is based on the aggregate marks of prelims exam, of mains exam, and of interview exam. Okay, so you will be chosen on the basis of the marks which you have obtained in all these exams. Like in IAS exam, you need to only get passed in the prelims exam, but that is not the case with IES, because in IES you have to get passed in prelims exam, and the marks you scored in prelims exam also gets added in your final merit list. So in addition to getting only passed in the prelims exam, you have to score a better score in the prelims exam. So the prelims exam is of 500 marks. So if you will get around 400 marks in prelims exam, then the situation become very easy for you to appear in the next exams and to get a place in the final merit list of the IES exam. So now we have discussed about the answer that why this GS portion is very much important for IES. The GS is important for IES because it carries about 200 marks, and if you will convert around 150 to 180 marks in GS exam, then you can easily make your way to the final merit list. Guys, talking about the GS syllabus, the GS syllabus includes some basic concepts that the UPSC assumes that an engineer should know. Okay, so according to UPSC, an engineer must know some basics about energy and environment, some basics about information and communication technology, some basics about material science, some basics about ethics, some basics about quality control, some basics about design, drawing, and safety, some basics about project management, and some basics about engineering mathematics, some basics about engineering aptitude, and some basics about current affairs. So, the UPSC has distributed the marks of GS as around 5% to 15% for each topic. That is, that from every topic around 5% to 15% weightage will be covered. So all these 10 topics are very important for IES prelims exam. Guys, now talking about that how we will complete this syllabus in this lecture series started by The Gate Hunt. Okay, so we will try to complete the whole syllabus that we have discussed right now within 3 to 4 months. So The specialty of this lecture series will be that the lectures will be short, about 10 to 15 minute lecture will be provided to you every day, and each and every topic will be covered from the basics. Okay, so all you need to do is just maintain the note of every lecture as soon as it is delivered. So you have to make your self written handwritten notes of these lectures, and you need to revise every single point that I have taught to you within 3 to 4 days. One more thing that I will like to add here is, please don't postpone any lecture. That is, if I have delivered a lecture to you today, then you have to complete it today only. Don't postpone it to tomorrow, because these lectures are very short. Every day, one lecture will be uploaded to our YouTube channel, and you have to complete it as soon as it is uploaded. Okay. Moreover, if response from your side is good, that is, the number of views are pretty much good and the number of likes are very much good, then we can also complete about 2 lectures each day. So it will be very beneficial to us to cover the syllabus on time. Guys, if you have followed all the important steps and points that I have told you by maintaining your proper notes, and if you will revise every topic within a gap of 3 to 4 days, then I guarantee you that you can easily score around 150 to 180 marks in GS in IES, which can help you achieve your name in final merit list.
Guys, do hit the like button, subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon to receive latest jobs notifications, GATE talks and video lectures on GATE and IES.